This is a pivotal moment in Virginia's history. We are living longer. Longer lives demand smarter plans. Thanks to the Older Americans Act, area agencies on aging provide support navigating options to help us age well in our own communities. Aging is universal, a common thread that binds us all, and supporting aging services is a critical investment in the longevity of our families and our entire community. Preventative services today save on costly health and safety crises later. Area agencies on aging know that investing in preventative services now has a profound and positive impact on our community's health systems and families for generations to come. 1 in every 4 of us is taking care of an older family member, friend, or neighbor. Area agencies on aging understand the catastrophic impact on our health system, long-term care system, and our communities if caregivers don't have appropriate support. So we provide education and other services to support family caregivers. Area agencies on aging provide essential services that go beyond helping people age well. They prevent crises before they happen through proactive support, education, and early intervention. The Older Americans Act creates a pathway to investing in Virginia's fastest-growing demographic. So investing in aging services is a no-brainer. It's investing in every generation. We're all aging. It's time to recognize it, embrace it, and support it.